Hey everyone, welcome to my workshop. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about text analysis. I'm really excited to walk through this with all of you. It's a technique I'm really excited about. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to sharing what I've learned with all of you. The techniques we're going to be talking about today are much more on the exploratory side of things. I don't know if it's really quantitative enough to like publish in a paper, but I think it's a really good way to kind of explore any text data you might have. Also go through how to kind of clean text data and prep it for other types of analyses, which I think is sometimes, one of the hardest parts. So yeah, hopefully it will be useful to you. Obviously, for those of you who are there live while I'm doing this tutorial, feel free to let me know if you have any questions or stop me at any time. Okay, so this first part of the script, we're just loading in packages. We have tidyverse, which we're going to use, pretty much always, or at least I use it pretty much always, and definitely for a lot of the stuff we're talking about today, it's really important to have tidyverse installed. We also have a handful of packages that are useful for text analysis, like tidytext and tidylow. We're using the Hunspell package for spell checking, the stringy package for kind of replacing parts of text that we want to replace, and then the gggraph and igraph packages for doing some word cloud type things. So I recommend getting those figured out and getting those installed and then loading them in.